Well, hey there, fellow mechanics, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of an engine compartment. This is my car. It's a 2006 Ford Focus ST 2.3 liter. Alright, so we're going to start from the driver's side, which is the left side. We've got the fuse box, battery, air filter, which connects to the throttle. Back here is the brake fluid. We have the exhaust manifold. This is the engine block. What you can see up top here is the valve cover. This is where your oil goes. These are where your spark plugs sit. These are the ignition coils. These are where your fuel injectors would be. This is your intake manifold, all this right here. This is your oil dipstick, power steering fluid reservoir, your coolant reservoir. That's where the washer fluid goes in, but the reservoir is down lower, so you can't see it. And that's what you can check up top really quickly and easily. Now, we're going to take a closer look.